Are you curious about how to ensure fair compensation within your organization? Understanding how to analyze pay equity across departments is crucial for maintaining a fair, motivated, and legally compliant workplace. Pay equity analysis involves comparing salaries across different groups to identify any disparities that could imply discrimination. In this guide, we'll dive into the essential steps required to effectively analyze pay equity across departments and ensure a fair compensation structure. Step 1. Gather and organize data. The first step in analyzing pay equity is to gather and organize all relevant data. Start by compiling comprehensive employee information, including job titles, department assignments, years of experience, education levels, and performance evaluations. Ensure that the salary data is recent and reflects any bonuses or stock options. Use HR software or databases to help aggregate and structure this information, as it will be the foundation of your analysis. Step 2. Establish comparability groups. Next, it's important to establish comparability groups or cohorts. These groups are formed by categorizing employees into similar job roles, skills, responsibilities, and qualifications within each department. It's essential to define clear and consistent criteria for these groups to ensure an accurate analysis. By grouping employees effectively, you can make meaningful comparisons and identify discrepancies in pay across similar positions. Step 3. Conduct statistical analysis. Now that you have your comparability groups, it's time to conduct a statistical analysis. Use software tools like Excel, R, or specialized HR analytics platforms to compare average salaries within and across departments. Calculate metrics such as median pay ranges, and identify any outliers. Here, regression analysis can be particularly useful, as it helps determine if differences in pay can be attributed to legitimate factors like experience or job performance, as opposed to unrelated factors such as gender or race. Step 4. Identify and diagnose disparities. After running your analysis, identify any significant pay disparities within and between departments. If discrepancies are found, dive deeper to diagnose the potential causes. Determine if there are structural biases contributing to these gaps, such as inequitable access to promotion opportunities or differences in starting salaries. Collaborate with department leaders to discuss your findings and gather insights on potential contributing factors. Step 5. Develop an action plan. Once you've identified and understood the causes of pay disparities, develop an action plan to address them. This plan might include adjusting salaries, reevaluating job classifications, revising recruitment practices, or implementing bias training. Set clear goals for addressing inequities and outline specific steps your organization will take to ensure fair pay. Consider regular pay audits to monitor progress and ensure ongoing equity. Step 6. Communicate and implement changes. Transparency is key when implementing any changes to pay structures. Effectively communicate with employees about the need for adjustments and the steps being taken to ensure equity. Highlight the organization's commitment to fairness and how these changes align with broader company values. Engage both leadership and employees in the process to foster a culture of trust and accountability. Understanding how to analyze pay equity across departments is vital for promoting a fair and inclusive workplace. By gathering and organizing data, establishing comparability groups, conducting statistical analyses, and developing actionable plans, you can ensure equitable compensation within your organization. Remember, regular assessments and transparent communication are fundamental to maintaining a fair pay structure. Empower your team by advocating for fair pay practices. It's an investment in your organization's integrity and success.